I'm the Bazooka rep in, I can say, in Nimambitie County. Bazooka seed is one of the products of Wakala Africa Limited, and as we say, Bazooka is an improved hybrid maize variety, and it do well at an altitude of 800 to 1300 meters above the sea level. And mostly Bazooka is a double cover, as you can see from most of our maize variety is a double cover. And in short term, Bazooka plays a role of nikupe. Means that the more you supply the nutrients with Bazooka, the more it gives a product. And in some instance, it can give also three crops per maize. And as you can see, Bazooka is tolerant to leaf diseases. Means that even though leaf diseases can attack them, but at some extent, it can fight the leaf diseases. And then Bazooka had a good tip cover. And mostly, Bazooka variety, when you see maize at the harvest stage, you see that the tip cover of the maize is well covered compared to other variety of maize that where most of them the tip cover is they lack tip cover. Means that those that production loss is high in the farm, and farmers go a loss at the farm level. And then Bazooka, to some farms that I've do some field visit in East, Bazooka can thrive in a striga environment where there is a striga weed. Means that it has a resistant striga weed, means that it can resist that striga infestation. And then, as you can see, Bazooka is good for silage. Why am I saying silage? Means that Bazooka at the harvest period, when you see about the stalk and the leaves, it is still green, but the maize itself is dry. So farmers that also want silage, that maize variety that they can use for silage, Bazooka is the best alternative. And then at the early stage, Bazooka can resist drought. Means that at the early stage you can find Bazooka.
Na tetekire tuko tukihoka